Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to give a Snapchat Plus subscription to someone, so make sure to watch this video till the very end if you want to know how to do it. For that, first, you need to have a Snapchat Plus subscription yourself. Go ahead and open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Inside here, simply tap on your settings icon at the top right corner. Inside settings, you will then be able to find an option that says Snapchat Plus. Go ahead and tap on it, and just like that, tap on Snapchat Plus Gift. Select the person you would like to gift the Snapchat Plus to, and then tap on Gift Snapchat Plus. You can choose to give them a 2-month subscription for $49 or so, then tap on Gift Snapchat Plus. After that, go ahead and tap on OK. Just like that, go ahead and enter your payment details, like your debit or credit card, and then confirm your payment. Once you have completed your payment, the gift will be sent to the recipient, and they just need to refresh the app. The Snapchat Plus will be automatically activated. Well, that's it, guys. You have successfully gifted a Snapchat Plus subscription. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.